Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. The stock market is open, so you already know we were jumping in and we are trading some options. We were finally assigned some shares, so it is time to do the covered call, trade the wheel, and try to get some more shares at a cheaper price. So let's take a look at it. Let's see what we got assigned. We are down now $38 or so on TSLL. We were assigned 100 shares at the 1373, which is an awesome price. And it is time. What did we get paid for that, actually? Let me just pull down here. Oh, it's not going to show us the history. Right here. So there's our put assignment. We were paid $17. So really not actually down as much as we think when we factor in the $17 we were paid. But it is time to make some trades. Brief summary on the account real quick here. For the day, we are flat. For the week, we are up $8.62. For the month, we are up $124 or 2.24%. 3 months, $459 or 8.75%. And for the 1 year, we are up $1575 or 38.12%. So let's get into it. Let's trade some options. Each and every single week, I like to trade options on the small account just to showcase how to trade options on a smaller account. And so far, it's been returning some good results. Let's get this account going. We have $4,374 worth of buying power. So first and foremost, we are going to jump in here and we are going to sell options. We are going to sell a call. We've been selling puts. Today, we get to sell a call as well. So what are we going to do? Well, I'm going to sell it at the 1423. I want to give myself a little bit of probability to have some upside here. That would be a $50 of share appreciation plus the $11 of premium. We might have to do it for 10 depending here, but we're going to leave it open for 11 as of right now. And then that would book us $50 worth of share appreciation. On the flip side, we still have buying power because I only traded one of those puts aggressive. The other two expired worthless. So we are going to go in here and we're going to sell puts again, right? So we are going to do, I'm going to stagger it up again, and we're going to do one at the 1323. Let's see if we can get a fill right in the middle. If not, we can always go back and adjust it. I don't know why it says that the bid ask is between, and then we're going to do trade options, sell put. We're going to do the 1273. I'm going to just do this one. Let's see if I can do 17 on this one. What I have available, I should be able to do two of these. And that would be $34, so not bad premium right there. If we can get that to fill. All right, so let's jump back in and let's look at what we have on the table here. All right, so the call is between 10 and 11. Let's just replace this order. Let's get it filled for 10. High likelihood there. Not too worried about a dollar difference. So we got that filled there. So that's $10 worth of premium right there. So we got 17 to get into the option. We got 10 to sell the call. Which gives us a nice $27 worth of credit. Plus, we have the upside potential of $50 on the shares. And what I mean by that is we have 100 shares. If it goes up to that 1423, we have $50 worth of share appreciation on those 100 shares. And then we're going to try to sell some puts as well. We have still 585 worth of buying power. We will leave that as our odd lot. And if the stock continues to go down, then we will just continue to purchase more and more shares. So let's see if we can get, let me just replace this one. See if I can get it right in the middle there. Maybe like try 35. Oh, come on. Sometimes it has to update with your available cash. There we go. See if we can get a fill at the 35 here. 34, 35. And then we'll change this one as well. See if we can get it at 16. Yeah. So 16. Come on, Robinhood. There we go. 3,096 available. Boom. So $32 there. So we just collected between that one and the other one, $42. Oh, it looks like this one filled as well. Nice. Yep. For 35. So really not too bad. We just collected $87 worth of premium for 1 week off of a $5,700 account. We have a $50 play in the share appreciation. So over $100 play for the week. My goal here is with this account, I try to do $100 a week if possible. It just kind of depends. Each and every single week was a little bit different. Obviously, if I would have sold an at the money, we could have hit the $100 mark, but I wanted to try and get some share appreciation because Tesla has been pulling back a lot. So that's where we're sitting on the account as of right now, up 38%. This is how we do it. We will in, we will out. We've done multiple wills on this stock so far, and I'm ready to do it again. We have a good cost basis to get started. That being said, I'm going to pick up a couple of odd lots here. I'm going to buy 5. This is one of my strategies that I always, whenever I'm willing stocks, I always like to, if I can average down, I'll buy more shares and average down. We're going to buy these at $13.26. I'm already in the stock. Obviously, it's under my cost basis, and so I just moved my cost basis. Not a lot, from $13.73 to $13.71. If the stock continues to dip, then I'll just continue to buy more shares. I'm doing that through puts in a way. If the stock obviously goes down to $13.23, then I'll pick up another 100, and $12.73, then I'll pick up another 200. And so I will average down if the stock continues to fall down. But for me, this is how I do it. So far, it's been really good. I love wheeling TSLL, especially now that it has the bid asks of the 1 penny. As you saw, it used to just be 0.5 increments. They recently changed that, and it is a game changer for the stock. So going to continue to trade it. Love that I actually own some shares. You can see here these big dips in the account. These are when we actually get assigned shares, and then we always crawl back up after this being assigned shares. So, and part of that is because I like to average down when stocks go down. So if Tesla starts dipping down to the $200 mark, then I will obviously just keep DCA. For the week, Tesla is down $12.30 or 5%, and for the month, they're pretty much flat. So would love to see some support found here on Tesla. It has not done, it's done really good over the last 5 years, over the last year. Look at that, up 1,000%. And max up 18,000%. That's absolutely insane. So that's a potential here, and that's why I'm trading on TSLL because that is a lower cap play on a 1.5S bull ETF. But that's everything I got for this week. We are just continuing to build this account each and every single week, a couple percent here and there. And over the long haul, we're not paying any taxes on this. So over the long haul, we'll just continue to build this account up. It is a traditional IRA, so it makes it a little bit harder to contribute to it. I know there's the big contribute button there, but it makes taxes a little bit silly because it's not a Roth account. This was money that was pre-tax put into this through an employer a long time ago. So we got to figure that out as well. I wish it was in a Roth so I could easily just add to it. But we'll see if we can add to this account as well. If I can max this out, we could double this account in a year. So that'd be pretty cool. But we will see. So that's the account for this week. That's the update I have. TSLL is the play we are making right now. We got puts open, we got calls open, and we have 105 shares. So thanks everybody for tuning in. Happy investing. We'll catch you next time.